Hello everyone, welcome. This printer is Canon PIXMA MG3650 and these are the ink cartridges. It's using PIXMA ink PG540 and PG541. 541 is the colored one and 540 is black. What we want to do is to show you how to replace the ink cartridges, and these ones are genuine ink cartridges. So before you start, you need to switch on the power. So you switch on the printer power button, then you wait. And from the screen, you will see the buttons here. You will see the amber light is on the C and black. What that means is the ink cartridges are empty or running low, and this button is Wi-Fi button. So this is the power on button, and this is showing us that A4 paper is loaded. You change the paper by pressing this button, and this button is for you to copy black, this button is for you to copy color, and this button is cancel. So these are the panel, the information from the panel. So you can see the amber light is highlighting on the black and yellow. So we need to replace the ink cartridges. So we got those right now. So what we need to do is open up this chamber, and once you open it up, you just need to wait for the ink cartridges holder to position itself to the corner where it's supposed to be, and you can see it positions itself where it was meant to be. So now what you need to do, you need to push the guide down, push the other one down as well, then you go in and take off the cartridges. So these are the ones that were there before, so we're going to replace them. So you need to make sure you don't touch this contact, gold contact area. Just need to remove the plastic. Now another thing is the black goes to the right, the colored one goes to the left. So you go in, so make sure this part with the contact chip need to go inside. And once you are in, you need to bring up the holder or the guide. Just pull it up. Do the same thing to the colored one. Pull off the plastic, then you go in. So this is colored one, it goes on the left. Pull the guide up, then you close this cover, close the printer chamber, then you wait for the printer to recognize the ink. Now the next thing to do is you need to go to the printer, and you can see the light that was on, the amber light that was on here both are now disappeared. So the light is no longer there. What that means is the printer recognized the ink, and the ink cartridges are now full up. So this is how to replace the ink. And if you want to copy a document, for example, just need to stick the document you want to copy face down. Then select copy. So you just need to wait for the printer to be ready. There we go. So it took the paper inside. This is the document we copied. Very smooth and clean. And this is the original one. So there is not really much difference. This is the original one, and this is the one we copied. So this is how to install the ink cartridges and also copy paper. Thank you.